Investigation determined Franklin and Laura had been intoxicated at the time of their deaths.
Laura's family sued the people accused of selling them alcohol underage, and Fox 8's Gretchen Stenger spoke with her mother today about why she sued. She joins us here in the studio. Gretchen.
Yeah, Mario Lara's mother, Jessica Ferguson, was instantly in tears as we began to talk about Mario. She says she cries every single day from the heartache. Now, she wants the person who provided her son with alcohol to be held responsible. Now, she's suing the owner of Quick Quality, where her son allegedly bought alcohol. And now she is doing something to prevent this from happening to other families. A mother's heartbreak is still just as fresh today as it was on August 22nd, 2024.
And I just don't want that to happen to anybody. I don't want it to happen to anybody else.
When her son, 15-year-old Mario Lara, was killed as a passenger in a car crash in Randolph County. One other teen, the driver, also died. There were a total of 4 teens in the car. Lara's mother, Jessica Ferguson, decided to sue after alcohol was discovered to be in the 15-year-old's blood, along with the other passengers.
If it would have been me, if the alcohol would have been mine, somebody would want to hold me accountable. It wasn't mine. So whoever it was provided by needs to be held accountable.
The alcohol law enforcement also did an investigation of its own, charging Jaswiner Taya, the owner of Quick Quality in Ramsor, with multiple charges, including 2 counts of felony involuntary manslaughter and 1 count of misdemeanor selling malt beverage to a person less than 21 years old. Mario Lara is named in the court documents. Jessica Ferguson, Lara's mother, sued Taya for allegedly selling the teens alcohol prior to the wreck.
The lawsuit against the individual and his store is effectively wrapped up. We were able to get a judgment against him.
That judgment was for $4.95 million.
Then even now, even with the court cases that he has pending against him for manslaughter, he still is allowed to sell.
We've also got a separate claim against the North Carolina ABC Commission as well. We are really trying to get the NCABC to enact additional legislation to make the sale of alcohol, in particular to minors, a lot more difficult.
The lawsuit against NCABC is still in litigation. I went into Quick Quality and spoke to the owner. He tells me neither he or his employees sold the teens any alcohol. He says he didn't have anything to do with the teens' deaths. Mario's mother created a petition to strengthen NCABC's rules to reduce the frequency of teenagers illegally being sold alcohol. You can find a link to that petition on our website at myfox8.com. Just look for this story.